Hi angels, welcome back to another DIY. This video is inspired by Kiani Stevenson. She's the one that I got the whole idea from. She actually uses a blanket to make this outfit, but I decided not to use a blanket, just use this dress that I got from Fashion Nova. I think it was only $5 and I ended up getting two of them, so this is what I'm going to be using. All you guys gonna need is scissors, and that's basically it. Actually, you're gonna need your sewing machine and all of that mess, but yeah. So first thing first, I'm gonna cut one of this dress straight down the middle. So all I did was just fold it in half, make sure that it's even, and then just cut it straight down the middle so that it could be a jacket. It's easy to open up, quick and easy. So that's it. That's the first step. First thing, we got the jacket. And it looks okay. So next is this other dress that I got. It's the exact same dress. I just got two of them. So the first thing I'm going to do is lay out a top that I like, because I have to trace out the top. I wanted the top to be long, so that's why I picked this one. Please excuse it. It is dirty. I needed to wash it. I just got it out of the dirty hamper, so that's why it has stains on it. And then I pick out the shorts, which is my favorite shorts, and it fits really good. It's nice and tight, so that's why I picked this one, because I wanted it to be kind of like suck onto my body. This dress is really stretchy, so obviously, the fabric was going to be stretchy, so I wanted to pick something that I know I could just trace out perfectly. So the next step is to cut the dress in half so that it will be easier instead of just trying to figure out what you're doing. So that is what I am doing. Cutting it in half. Yeah. By the way, this sheds a lot. You guys gonna see when I actually shake out everything. It sheds really bad. So at first I was just thinking, why don't I just cut it out just like that? I was like, no. I have to fold it in half just so that you need four of them to make the shorts. So four sides. So that's what I did. Fold it in half, place the shorts back on top of it, and then trace out the shorts. I gave it like a little extra room, probably like an inch or like a half an inch, because obviously I was in this sew the sides together, so I wanted to make sure that I had enough room if I make mistakes or anything along that way. So next thing I'm going to do is cut off the bottom part. The bottom part is kind of like a stretchy fabric. I didn't want that onto the shorts, so I decided to just cut it off. Yep. My scissors are so dull. It took forever to cut this. I was going to use these for something, but I ended up not doing anything with it. So next thing is, what am I doing? I was just making sure everything was even, Steven. So obviously these two are connected together, and in order to make the shorts, I'm gonna need to fold it back over in half again. Place the shorts on top of you. Well, you don't have to place your shorts on top of it. You fold it in half, so all you have to do is just cut it straight down the middle so that you can get 4 pieces instead of it just being 2 pieces, 2 big pieces. Remember, we're making a shorts. So yeah, I decided to leave that little edge right there, that piece that is still connected. I decided not to cut it off, because when I finish sewing on everything, that part right there, I'm going to connect it to the other piece of the shorts. And that would be like, you know how shorts are. In order to put on the shorts, you got that little seam. So that is exactly where I'm going to cut it. Not too high, not too low. That exact spot. I know I didn't show you guys in the end, but letting you know how I do it from now. I don't know why I didn't show it. So next thing is we are going to cut up the shape of this shirt. I gave it a little extra room because I was trying to find a little half top. If you guys watch a few of my videos, I did make a 2-piece swimsuit out of a t-shirt, And that swimsuit had that little nice v-neck top that I wanted. So unfortunately, I didn't show you guys, but I had to look all over this apartment just to find it. And all I did was just trace it out, make sure that I cut it evenly. I still kept the length. The only difference is I made a v-neck up top, and then I make sure the arms were perfect for me to just put them in and out. So yeah, I didn't show it, but yeah. I was thinking about doing a v, but I was like, no, probably gonna mess it up. So I'm glad I didn't do it. Next thing is, as soon as you cut out anything, do shake off everything. Just shake it, so that all the little fuzziness can just shake off. Next step is we are going to place the shorts together so that we can pin the sides, because where we're pinning right now is where we're actually going to sew. So I wanted to make sure that I pin it so that when I go to the sewing machine, I won't need to like try to figure out like, oh, is it even, is it not even? No, I just go straight down the line and I'm good. So that is what I'm doing right now. I'm just pinning the sides, and I'm using really colorful pins so that I'll be able to see it, even though some of them did get stuck up in there, which got stuck up in my machine. But yeah, I'm gonna leave that spot right there because I told you guys before, that is where I'm gonna sew both of the sides together, right down the middle. So that's why I'm not shoveling it or anything like that. It's a little bulky, but you guys are not gonna see it. So yeah, this is how both of them look. Okay, now, so this is the fun part. I haven't used my sewing machine in like a good minute, so it took me like 5 minutes to figure out like how to thread it and all of that mess, but I got it. So the first thing we're gonna do is sew the side of the short of one of the shorts together. We're just gonna sew the sides straight down the middle, and make sure to remove the pins. Yep. Sewing the sides of the shorts, sewing the sides of the shorts. Everything that I'm going to be sewing is, I'm going to be sewing everything inside out. If you just sew it just the way like how you're going to wear it, then I don't think it looks too good. So it's best to just sew everything inside out. Just in case you messed up, you don't see the thread or anything, even though I'm using a white thread. So this is how one side looks after I remove the pin and sew it. It looks good. And now I'm going to be doing the other side of the shorts. Just the exact same thing that I did before. Sew it straight down the middle. So this is how the other shorts looks. It looks the exact same. Came out good. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to place them front side up, so the fuzziness on top of the fuzziness, and then pin the sides together, and then just sew the sides straight down on both sides. And then in the middle, just like what I told you guys, I'm going to flip it inside out. Well, it's already inside out. Well, no, it's not inside out yet. Flip it inside out and then just sew in the middle of it so that you can get that seam for the shorts. So that is what I am doing. Well, I'm doing it wrong right now, but I'm just trying to make sure that it's even Steven. If I need to cut off anything, I'm just going to pin it up together, and then I'm going to try on the shorts. That's why I'm pinning it up just like that. Just want to make sure it fits. If I need to add on more fabric or anything like that. I want it to be like a really short, but not too short. Okay, now, so this is the last step. This is how the shirt turned out. So all I'm going to do is below the arm area, I'm going to give it a little extra inch or two. Then I'm just going to sew straight down the middle. Not straight down the middle. Why did I say that? Like straight down the edge. Obviously, remember what I said. Turn it inside out. And then you sew it. So that's what I'm doing right here. Turn it inside out. Because I was just about to make a mistake by just sewing it just like that. But yeah. Make sure that you do not sew the arms, or else you will not be able to get into the shirt. Yep. And that is the last step. This took like a good 5 minutes. This was so easy. And it only cost $10. $10. Next is to sew the other side, and we're doing the exact same thing. Exact same thing. Okay, so this is how the shirt turned out. This fit really good. I'm so happy, and obviously it's very stretchy, and I left the arms open so I could get inside of it. So this is how the whole thing turned out. This is how it looks together. Sorry about the bad lighting. My ring light broke and I haven't replaced it yet, so most of the video is gonna be like a orangey because I'm using the light in my apartment. Yeah, that's how it did. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next DIY. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Bye.